Cricket has been courting controversy with the BCCI announcing India's test squad for South Africa, with its press release mentioning Rohit Sharma's appointment as ODI captain in place of Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli announced on Wednesday that he was told by the selection committee at the end of a phone call that he had been replaced as India's one-day international captain, and added that his decision to step down from T20I captaincy was well received.
Rohit is a very able captain and very, very tactically sound. We've seen that in the games that he's captain for India and in the IPL as well. So, and along with Rahul Bhai, who's a very, very balanced coach, great man manager, both of them will have my absolute support and my contribution in whatever vision they set for the team.
Those 5 years that he has led the team, he led from the front every time we stepped onto the park. We had a great time playing under him. Obviously, I've played a lot of cricket with him together. I've enjoyed each and every moment, and I'll still continue to do that.
Kohli had earlier voluntarily given up his T20I captaincy in October, citing workload as the reason. However, he had expressed his desire to continue as India's Test and ODI captain in an Instagram post. In an exclusive chat with Midday.com, the veteran cricketer Syed Kirmani spoke on Rohit Sharma replacing Virat Kohli as ODI captain and said that Rohit Sharma has so much experience and is such a great player.
The inside story we don't know. You see, it is a good idea. It's a good understanding between the players. Now, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. Now, Virat Kohli has been captaining all the three formats. Right, so obviously he wanted to take a little burden off his shoulders. He said, "Bhai, I would like Rohit to take over in the one-day internationals." So there's nothing wrong in that. It's a wonderful gesture. By sharing it within the team members, it's good. And he had so much of experience. Such a great player. Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli are great pals, and they are great cricketers within themselves. So it's good to share responsibilities of one another. Right. So on those basis, I think it's a wonderful idea. I mean, nothing. There shouldn't be any controversy on that, actually.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.